Ever pondered the significance of precision in measurements? Imagine building a piece of furniture only to find the pieces don't fit together because the measurements were off by even a fraction of an inch. Precision matters, and that's where a tool like the Vernier Caliper comes in handy. The Vernier Caliper, a clever piece of engineering, offers an accuracy level that few other measuring tools can match. It's a device that can measure the internal and external dimensions of an object with remarkable precision. But how does one use it? First things first, familiarize yourself with the Vernier Caliper. This device consists of two main parts, the main scale and the sliding vernier scale. The main scale is similar to a ruler, while the sliding vernier scale is a movable component that slides along the main scale. The main scale measures in full units, while the vernier scale provides the decimal fractions for precise measurements. To measure the external dimensions of an object, open the jaws of the caliper and place the object between them. Slide the jaws until they touch the object's surfaces, ensuring a snug but not tight fit. Now read the measurement from the main scale at the 0 point of the vernier scale. This is your main unit. Then locate the line on the vernier scale that aligns exactly with any line on the main scale. The number of this vernier scale line gives you the decimal fraction. Combine these two readings and you've got your precise measurement. For internal dimensions, like the diameter of a hole or pipe, use the smaller upper jaws of the caliper. Insert them into the space to be measured and expand until they touch the inner sides. Follow the same reading process as for external measurements. Measuring depth is another useful feature of the Vernier Caliper. Extend the depth rod found at the end of the caliper into the hole or space you're measuring until it hits the bottom. Again, read the measurement in the same way. In summary, using a Vernier Caliper involves 3 basic steps: positioning the caliper correctly, taking the measurement, and then reading the scales accurately. It's a straightforward process, but like any skill, it requires practice. The importance of using a Vernier Caliper cannot be understated. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast creating a new piece of furniture, a student conducting a science experiment, or a professional in the field of engineering or manufacturing, the Vernier Caliper provides the precision that makes the difference between success and failure. It's a testament to the power of precision, and a reminder that in our world, even the smallest measurements can have a big impact. So remember, when accuracy matters, reach for the Vernier Caliper.